Hello. So for your midterm, you are going to have to create a 10 card Quizlet study set. Now, if you've never used Quizlet before, it's a really useful and free online application where teachers and students can create study sets like electronic flashcards that can be used for everything from parts of a lesson, homework assignments, study aids, what have you. Even within the website itself, study sets can then be used in games for review or games for assessment. There's all different uses for a Quizlet study set. Now, if you don't use Quizlet already, if you don't have an account, you're going to go to Quizlet.com and it's going to take you to this page. So, to sign up, it's as simple as clicking the sign up button. Easy for me to say. There we go. It's as simple as clicking the sign up button. Now, you can sign up with Google or with Facebook if that makes your life easier. Then again, if you want to use your school email address, because this is something you might use for work, then you can just fill out all of your pertinent information here, click sign up, and you're done. Now, I have an account already, so I'm going to log in with Google just because it makes my life easy. And here's my Quizlet page. I still use the free version. You can pay for an upgrade, but for my purposes anyway right now, it's not necessary. So what you are going to do is you are going to create a study set. And to create a study set, to create these electronic flashcards, it's as simple as going to Create at the top of the page and click Set. Get rid of that. So now you have the opportunity to title your study set. Now, you can choose an educational topic like math or reading or history, whatever floats your boat. But I've also gotten ones on sports and makeup and, cooking, knitting, whatever you want to do. It is fine with me. So I'm going to choose, just to make life easy, I'm going to choose colors in Spanish. Why? Because, well, why not? You can provide a little description there. I recommend when you come over here, notice it says visible to everyone. Leave that as is so that when you share it with me, I'll be able to see it. And then only editable by me, leave that as is so nobody can kind of mess with your stuff. Now, if you've never used Quizlet before and you want to see what they what they look like, you can certainly scroll up to the search at the top here, click on that, type in any topic you want, and see what's there for you. All right, so colors in Spanish. So now we're going to scroll down a little bit, and number 1 represents the first flashcard. So my first color is going to be red. Now I'm going to go to the definition or the description, and this happens to translate it for you. One of the nice things about Quizlet is it goes between English and Spanish incredibly easily. So that's rojo. So I want you to include an image as well. So if you click the image icon, Quizlet has some free images that you can use. So I'm just going to click the red square, okay, because we're talking about the color red. Next, let's do blue. Blue is azul. I knew it was going to pop up. And same thing here. I'm going to pick the blue square. Next, I'll do green. Verde, where are you? There you are. And I'm going to pick the green square. How about yellow? There's amarillo. And I'm going to pick the yellow square. I'm only going to do 5 for the sake of time. But then how about we do orange? And that's naranja. And there it is. Boop. Okay, so once you're done with your 10 terms, with their associated definitions or descriptions and a picture. You click create. And you're done. Oh, let's get rid of that. So if you want to check your work, if you click on the card, it flips it. And if you click on the arrow, it'll advance you to the next card. Click on the card, it flips it. Click the arrow, it advances you to the next card. So you kind of get where I'm going here, right? So you can check your cards, probably not a bad plan. I'm not going to do that up next. That just is another way you can use the set. But once you're done with your study set, you're going to send it to me. And you're going to do that by clicking on this little icon here where it says share. Now, you can type in my email address, jennifer.mcdonald@esc.edu, and click send the email, and it'll be sent to me. Or you can copy this link and put it, you can put it within another email that you've composed. Whatever works for you works for me. But you do need to send it to me. Okay? Once you do that, you're done with this part of the assignment. So again, you're going to create a 10-term study set about the topic of your choice, and each card needs to have a term and a definition or description as well as an image. Okay? And that, my friends, is how you make a Quizlet study set. If you have any questions, you'll let me know.